Hi friends, welcome to Arnav. Today is the 17th episode in the geography series. So today in this episode we are going to discuss about a country. This country is the country of China. So China is the fourth largest country. Yes, here it is the fourth largest country with 9.6 million kilometers of area. Yes, kilometers square, not just kilometers but kilometers square. Yes. So the official name of China or the full name of China is the People's Republic of China. Yes, that's a long name. So it is the world's most populous country with a population of more than 1.4 billion. Yes. So this is the most populated country with lots of people. Yes. So China spans 5 geographical time zones and borders 14 countries. But even if it has 5 geographical time zones in it, its government just adopted one time zone, the Beijing city time. So Beijing is the capital of China. Yes. So that means if you go to China's western border to Afghanistan, we must change the time to 3 hours. The time difference is 3 hours. Yes, 3 whole full hours. Yes, that is mind blowing. Yeah. So it consists of 23 provinces, 5 autonomous regions, 4 municipalities, and 2 special administrative regions. These 2 are Hong Kong and Macau. These 2 were once ruled by other countries in the colonial times. So Hong Kong was ruled by the UK. So it was the last country in the British Empire. That means the British Empire ended in 1922, but it was like a territory still. Yes, and Macau was a part of Portugal. Yes, Portugal is doing here. Yes, so the national capital is Beijing. The most populous city and the financial center is Shanghai. And again, of course, China. Yes, it would not be in Korea. Yes. So the ethnic groups of China are 91.1% Han Chinese and 8.9% others. Yes. So the religions of China are 74.5% folk religions, 18.3% Buddhism, 5.2% Christianity, 1.6% Islam, and 0.4% others. Yes, not these but others. Yes. So the modern Chinese trace their origins back to a cradle of civilization in the fertile basin of the Yellow River. So these Chinese people started their civilization back then in the BCs in the Yellow River. Yes. And also when this China was like kingdoms instead of being just a normal country like this, for some years it was just a full normal country. In the next year it was broken. Yes, like you are bringing a Chinese vase back home, but it suddenly slips and broken. Yes, it is now broken. We can't use it anymore. That is the same thing that happens to China. Again, if you try to fix it and it again slipped and broken, again and again forever. Yes. So, but now recently it didn't happen anytime. Yes. So, the 4 great world leading scientific inventions took place in China. So they are gunpowder. Yes, gunpowder, which is used in guns and other things, explosives. Next, paper. Yes, paper is very important. Next, a compass to see where is north, where is south, where is east, where is west, everywhere. Yes, so to see the directions of the world. And printing, not the printing press which was invented in Germany. It was just normal printing. Yes, it was invented in the ancient China. That's how developed they were. Yes. So the name China originated from Sanskrit word Sina, which was used in ancient India, a border to China. Yes. So since 2000 2010, China has been the world's second largest economy in terms of normal GDP. Yes, so in terms of purchasing power parity, it was the largest in the world since 2014. That's like 8 years. So now, China's landscape is vast and diverse, ranging from the Gobi and Taklamakan deserts, which both are deserts, Gobi and Taklamakan, in the arid north, to the subtropical forests in the west and south of China. Yes, so it is diverse and also vast because it is a big country. Yes, the fourth largest. So the Yangtze, which is the third largest river longest river in the world, and the Yellow Rivers, which is the sixth longest river in the world, run from the Tibetan Plateau to the densely populated eastern seaboard. So it goes from the Tibet mountain ranges to the sea. So that place is more populated because it is next to the sea. So I'll show it. So, okay. So, for example, these are the Tibetan mountain ranges. So, this is Tibet. So, here start the rivers. So, here is the coast. So, it goes here. So, here it is densely populated, a lot populated because the coast is near, while here there are mountains everywhere. Everywhere you go, you see at least one mountain over here, while here it is just forests and beautiful things in China. So both the Yellow and the Yangtze River go like that. Yes. So the Himalayas, Karakoram, Pamir and Tian Shan mountain ranges separate China from much of South and Central Asia. So these mountain ranges separate China from most other parts of Asia like South and Central Asia. Yes. So China's coastline along the Pacific Ocean is 14,500 kilometers long. Yes, that is very long. So the territory of China lies between 18 degrees and 54 degrees north latitudes and 73 degrees and 135 degrees east longitudes. So China is in a place which is northeast. That's why here it is east and north only. Yes. So southern China is dominated by hills and low mountain ranges. So here many borders happen with other countries. Like here is India, Nepal, Myanmar and many countries. So there is hilly. It is very hilly over there. Yes. So okay. So next is the Central East. So this Central East part of China hosts the deltas of China's two major rivers, which are again the Yangtze and the Yellow River. Yes. So these are very important for China because China came from these rivers only. It's mainly the Yangtze River. Yes. So next the West. So in the West, major mountain ranges are the Himalayas. They are very big, going like this, like that. Yes. So next, in the north are the high plateaus which have the Taklamakan and the Gobi deserts, both deserts. So Gobi desert is up here and that desert is somewhere over here. Yes. So the world's highest point, Mount Everest, lies on the Sino-Nepalese border, which is the Chinese-Nepalese border. So Sino here means like Chinese. Yes, mostly. So this country's lowest point is the Right Lake bed of Aiding Lake, which is negative 154 meters under sea level. That means 154 meters under sea level. Yes, so it is lower than US's lowest point. Yes, so again this is the third lowest point. Third, not the first. That means there are even deeper points which are still covered by land instead of water. Yes, so now and finally the flag of China. So flag. So okay. So here is the flag. So here there will be a star, a big star, and some smaller stars over here, some, not many, just like this, like 5 are there over here, but I only drew 3 because there's not space and I cannot draw microscopic stars. Yes, here it is all red. So in the flag there is not, no, red is not written over here. Yes, so I'm just showing the color that it is red. So here in the stars it is, guess it, yellow. Yes. So yeah, so China is a communist country and these 2 colors are mostly from communist countries. Yes, like Vietnam, the Soviet Union, which is not presently there. Yes, so this is for today about China. Bye.